What is up, guys? So I haven't been posting videos lately, and that's because we're moving. As you can tell, this is a complete different garage with a lot more room. And there's a lot of overhead storage, and there's even a heater up there, which is awesome because when it's minus 40, I can work on stuff and not be freezing. That's the extension, that's old garbage and stuff, and that's my ladder to get up there. I found a ladder out back, and it works. It's kind of sketchy to be on, but you know. Yeah, it's a heated garage, a lot bigger, so easier to work on vehicles. Like, look at the room in here compared to the garage we were in. Camera doesn't do justice much. So side by side, broke again. I put rear wheel bearings in it. When I was doing the brake pads, I realized those were bad. I got the wrong brake pads I ordered, so there's this little tiny, like, little stupid lip thing on the brake pads I had to grind down, but I got them in, they work. But I broke a wheel stud. I have a regular bolt going through there right now with a regular nut on it, not even like a lug nut. If you guys can see that, yeah, it's a regular nut there and a bolt going through it. So it's kind of jimmy rigged. And I was trying to drill this, the stud of this lug nut, but it's not working. The XJ is getting a new exhaust. I got some pipe. I'm gonna rig one up because it's a little too loud and it's really annoying, the sound of it right now. So this video though is gonna be fixing the heater in my Jeep. It needs a resonator. So I'll show you how to replace that and see if it actually fixes it. So my heat works on 3 settings, 1, 2, and 4, but it doesn't blow like hot at all whatsoever. It does a little bit, but not much. So apparently if you replace this resonator, it's this little metal thing with like a spring inside. I don't really know how it works. If you guys want to comment down below how it like fully works, I don't know. I just know it's supposed to fix things, so hopefully it does. If not, then we'll diagnose what's wrong with it. Also, the Jeep got a stock bumper on it now with a light bar in it. It's I traded my other winch bumper, that big, I forget what brand it is now, but I didn't like it, and it was always bending back and forth, and it screwed my grill up and was bending my fenders out and whatnot. So it was a really crappy bracket how that's set up. So I'm just gonna get a basic one because I don't like winches. I'm gonna get a basic metal bumper with a 2-inch receiver. So if I do need pulled out from the front, I can just hook a strap up and I'm good to go, or get winched out or whatever. Something I like about my garage though, I don't know if you guys can see that sign there, but it came with the garage. It's a bunch of Toronto Maple Leaf crap here. I don't know. I don't watch hockey. Sports are boring to watch to me. I am Canadian. I should watch hockey, but whatever. So yeah, the new garage, Razor was out the other day. We took out with my buddy. He has a Can-Am. We went on some trails out back. There's a lot of musky back there, so we kind of make our own trails and plowed through some trees. Good thing I got a good front bumper on her. So I'm getting a new grill for it. And we also got a new car, which is going to be the next video if you guys want to stay tuned for that. It's something I always wanted when I was younger, but never thought I'd ever have. And I got a good deal on it since the Jeep was stolen. So we need another vehicle other than the old 98 Grand Cherokee she's been running. It needs a lot of work. So it's kind of off the road for a bit. The whole front end's loose and smashing around, and yeah, it needs a lot of work. So I'm gonna go outside and I'll show you my stock bumper on the old XJ, and let me know if you guys like it more than the other one. I'm just gonna go take a picture of it and put in a video like next to the other bumper I had. Let me know what you guys think, and hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope the side-by-side will be fixed. I hope the XJ will be fixed, and I hope this winter I can get the build going on XJ. I wanna do a 6.5-inch lift for 35-inch tires, lockers front and back, put some stiffeners in there to stiffen it up so my body's not twisting as it's starting to now. I want to get some rock sliders. The rockers need welded on. The exhaust is going to be built this Thursday. I might film it, I might not. Depends what me and my buddy have for time to get that built. It fell off when she was pulling me out. So anyways, hope you guys liked the video and hope it helps some of you guys that need to fix your heaters in your Jeep. Hope you're enjoying all the videos I've been creating lately. There's not much. I've been doing shorts a little bit. People seem to be watching them more. I don't know if it's just because it's shorts. People scroll through and see it more than like a full-length video. Yeah, that's about it. Let's get into the video and see if I can fix this. Got 1, 2. Yeah, it's working a lot better. I'm still missing 3 though, so we'll have to diagnose that. But before 1 and 2 like never worked, or 3 is just full blast and that was it. So it's better. I'm assuming there's something wrong with that connector, and I'll get that replaced too and show you guys how to do that. Anyways, yeah, there's the old one and the new one's in. It's working a lot better.